You can't be eating rice every day, morning, afternoon, night, potato, egg, indomie. Try and explore. Try new things, okay, guys? But recently I just don't care. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl Bessie. Yeah, this is my real face. Okay guys, so this is just a realistic evening. I just want to clear the kitchen, make dinner. So join me as we clear the kitchen and make dinner. All right, if this is your first time stopping by on this channel, you're very much welcome. I do hope you subscribe and join the family. Catch you guys. Forget my face, no look me awake, just don't reason it's my face. Let's get going. So my meat has already been seasoned with soya pepper and some seasoning cubes with a little bit of salt. You can use any seasoning you want depending on the taste you want out of your meat. I wanted soya spice. So yeah, here I have dishwasher. I don't want to consume light. I don't want to consume light at all. Like I'm so scared of light bill. So I just generally left it there. Let me just use my hand. We'll do it the old way, okay? And it's even faster for me. Thank you. So guys, just keep watching. So due to time constraint, I don't have energy to start peeling potatoes. So we got already packaged chips that you can just season and do as you want to do. If you have the time in your hand to peel potatoes and slice them as you want, fine and good. Go ahead. But me, anything that will just give me little time to rest, I need it at this point. So I have three plantain, ripe plantain. If you want unripe, you can use that as well. I use the tree plantain, and see, I'm still cleaning. I'm double, like I'm just multitasking. If you don't want all the stress, make sure you just arrange yourself before you start. Me, I wasn't fixed, so I just needed to show you guys a realistic evening in my life, how it can be sometimes for a new mom. Things are not always on order, but well, we move, all right? There's no need for paparazzi here. So I'm using soft chicken, depending on the kind of chicken you want to use. I don't want my chicken to just be cooked normal like that inside the sauce. Hence, I'm putting it inside the oven for it to get a little bit dry. Use anything you want, but this is what I'm using. And in total, guys, like this dinner can take you just 30 minutes. Aside from all the cleaning that I had to do, it can take you 30 minutes or 40 minutes tops. Saves you time and just little ingredients that you have in your house, rather than eating rice and heavy food at night. You get, just keep watching so you'll get what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put the plantain in the oven. As you can see, I'm peeling it. It's a bit soft, so I'm just going to draw some line on it just for paparazzi's sake. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm just going to put it inside the oven and just watch out for the final thing that is going to come out, okay? So for my sauce, as you can see, I'm using green chili peppers and 3 tomatoes, and also I'm going to be using bell pepper. Just keep watching. I'm not going to blend it all smooth. It's just going to be a little bit rough. So yeah, that's how I'm going to do it, because that's how it should look like, or that's how I feel I want it to look like. If you want yours to be smooth, go ahead with all pleasure. It's all about exploring yourself and doing new things in the kitchen. You get me? All right, guys. I know all the senior cooks will be shouting, "Hey, you added salt. What are you putting stew inside again?" Oh my god, you don't want to know how this thing tastes. It tastes so good. So this salt that I'm putting inside was the remnant of the one that I used to make spag the previous time, and it was much. So I just reduced some and put inside the fridge. I'm like, what will I use this thing to do? Let me just put inside these chips and see how it's going to turn out. And it turned out really, really nice. If you want to spice yours in a different manner, no problem. But for me, that was really nice. So yeah, I'm just going to put in my blended pepper into the pan. There was not much oil, it was just very little oil inside. And here my chicken is already done, so I'm just going to debone it because I don't want the bone to be inside. Trust me, I did justice to this bone when I was done. God, I sat down there. I was just throwing the bone like one. Let me not talk. Let me not mention the word. But yeah, I think that will be all for this voiceover. As you can see, my Oga did not allow anybody carry him. He was just staring at me. I was shouting. I had to put him on my back. Oh, you get what I mean? I don't want stress. See him, he's calm on my back and just chilling. So we continued cooking till we're done. Just keep watching to see the end results. Alright, guys. The sauce gave my chips one nice look like that, like it's not looking like the normal fried chips. But anyway, go and get cooking. You can use chicken fillet. One thing again, if you don't want to go through the stress of deboning your chicken, go ahead and just get something else. I bet look at this. Are you not hungry? Are you not hungry? Please like this video, subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.